welcome back. Today we are doing a clean and decorate of my guest bedroom upstairs. I just got 2 new pieces of furniture and some new bedding and some new decor. If you didn't see that shop with me video, we went shopping and we completely cleared out this room. This used to be like my Monica's closet. I have the sheets, they're finishing drying in the dryer right now, so I'm gonna sort of take all of the decor that I set out for in here, strip it off the bed, do a good thorough deep clean of the room, and then we can put on the new bedding and decorate in here. These are the new sheets I got, so I'm gonna wash them before we start decorating in here. I hope this video gives you cleaning motivation and some decorating inspiration. Click the thumbs up if you love cleaning motivation videos, and click the thumbs down if you love decorating inspiration more. I'm very curious to see your thoughts, and I feel like that's the best way to figure it out. But you are going to be getting both today because I'm doing a deep clean of this space before I put up all of the decor. So you'll see I went a little more boho farmhouse sort of vibes in this space, which eventually might be our nursery when baby number 3 comes. We'll see. But let me know if you like it when it's all finished. Don't skip ahead. Watch the whole cleaning motivation part too. And I will be linking my cleaning supplies and all of the decor in here in case you are interested in anything. And again, if you didn't see my KonMari of this room, oh my gosh, it was a total disaster. So if you need some extra declutter motivation, that video will definitely give you some. And quick channel announcement. I will be on vacation for a little bit, so make sure you're following me on my Instagram so that you can keep connected. I'm at bitsofbri, but I did pre-film a couple of videos for my loves, so you will still have 2 videos with some cleaning and organizing motivation while I'm gone. So make sure you're subscribed and make sure your bell notifications are turned on for when those videos go up too. And people always ask about the white door in the corner. That was from our old house. It was just in the garage when we moved out. The former owners had taken it off of one of the rooms, and I thought it would be really fun to decorate and take a piece of that house with us. So I have it in this room for now.
Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. Swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. Each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me.
And I found this Sweet Dream sign on Etsy. I freaking love it. I thought it was a perfect statement piece for over the bed, and I could definitely use it for over a crib eventually too, especially because if you watched my Instagram Q&A, which I'm gonna try to go live every single week on there, so again, make sure you're following over there. But I think we're going to wait to find out the gender, and I feel like it's just a good gender neutral sign for a nursery too.
A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart. Every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart.
And the struggle is real when it came to getting that duvet inside of the cover, but I wanted to do the bedding in a crisp, bright white just because I want guests to feel like everything is neat, clean, sort of hotel-like, but a bit homier, and that they get to sleep on a big cloud. So I looked for sheets and a comforter with the duvet so that it would be super puffy and comfy. Got lots of pillows so that they feel right at home. And I found this duvet on Amazon and I fell in love with the tassels. So I had to get this one. I thought it went perfectly with the new rug. Again, that like boho farmhouse kind of style. And I will link everything in case you're kind of looking for that white boho farmhouse style bedroom too.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. La, 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 la.
changing fast.
All right, so now that all of the decor is up, I wanted to give you a little walk around tour of how the new bedroom turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments. And so many of you gave me great ideas on the Shop With Me at Big Lots video of what you enjoyed having in guest bedrooms you've stayed in. So I took so many of your ideas and I put them in this room. I got a letter board that I can put welcome whoever on it so that they have a personalized welcome. I'm so excited because I think my sister and Micah and Tiffany are all going to be visiting over the next couple of months. And I got a suitcase rack on Amazon and a lidded trash bin. I made sure that the dresser was pretty much cleared off so that they can set their things on it. I made sure that there was a mirror and very cozy blankets and pillows. And I got jewelry holders for next to the bed. I also got a white noise machine and an alarm clock, and I have lots of extra outlets and charge cords for electronics in here too.
Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
I also got a travel hair dryer, lots of towels, and I have a drawer full of toiletries that any guest might need. There's also a sign that I can put out that will have the Wi-Fi password on it. And I got a basket that I put slippers and sleep masks in, and I hung 2 white spa robes on the back of the door. I got those robes and slippers on Amazon, by the way, so that they just feel very comfortable if they need to go down the hall to use the bathroom too. But if you have any other suggestions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching this Clean and Decorate with Me video of my guest bedroom. I am getting so excited to do a Clean and Decorate with Me for fall, and there will definitely be one for Prezi's Big Girl bedroom that's coming up soon. I just cannot believe that we're at that point. But I appreciate your support so much, and I cannot wait to make more cleaning and decorating videos for you all. Thanks for watching. Bye, loves.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no war.